Yes, the second part. Zog the Gemara. Hamagdish. Hamagdish, somebody makes a godish, but so godish chaverish, loy b'shus. Chlata mehem to shabala, so the potter. In huzak behem, bala godish chayed. Magdish b'shus, bala so the chayed. Ama bitzcha gadishin b'soda kekelem b'bayis, has the same thing like kelem and bayis, ama b'yesi b'abin, to posse, vahid is mazge. So this is really a repetition from before, and it's explaining something that we can look before, you'll understand what it means. It's trying to say that even though we say that reshus means to put in your stuff here, it does not mean I'm a shomer. However, if it's a soda that has a masger, it's considered like a bias, and a mele, yechayev. Another way to say that if you dishim in a soda, it's just like kedem and a bias. Look up there, perikai, you'll have what it means. Ashleichas be'er yat chever shoyte v'kot. Part with yina adam chayv yina shema. Shulch b'yat b'keach chayv. If a b'keach did the b'keach is chayv to pay. In shlicha dvar aver echad evi it's a itzim echad evi it's a ur maybe it's ur chayv. Ba acher v'liba amalav v'chayv. Ba'atu aruach kulam p'turim. Then they didn't do anything other than the wind, so everybody's pot. Chizki Ram Shemasa like the chelas, mostly should have us chayv. If he gave him over shall have us, then even he gave for a chayv shot of a cotton is chayv. By B'yechanin geches has B'yechanin is Mbavi the same shit to hold that ain't a chayv if he only gives him all the tools that you need to make a fire. Even if he gave him a shall have us, it's also Mishaleach's potter. That Gemara ties it up with the din that Isha Mishim Chitzov, Mamela. Since it's not his chaitz of the Mishaleach, the Mishaleach is pot. The kasha of the Chizkiya, either Mishara, Gechaltam, Galgelas, with Lechet, and Koiva Oisai, Shemu Potter. We're asking a question now. A person sees, he says, Mishmasala Gechelas, he's Potter. What's the pshat? How can it be such a din? If a person owns something, it's his shoyer. Shoyeri de tofach ba'ape. So you own a gechelas. How can you let it roll around the street? Let's say forget about the cheres. Let's say a monkey is taking it. Aren't you chayav to watch it? And I wrote here v'koshkan l'chabiyechnan. This kasha is on everybody. Amri tipasim shmas like gechelas hefker. Nam shall have us hefker. But there's no klum. It's not a kasha because he does not own this gechelas. Ramela, the only chiyuv is because it's ma'isem, and his ma'isem is not considered a ma'isem because the cheres did. Is Tanya Tana Liba, Tanya Tana Niba. Manatona Veliba, Kisub Labas Eish, Manatona Veniba, Voy Belibi, Keish Eris. My words, Niv Safosai. So the Niv, the breath makes it blow. It's like blowing. The breath is like a blow, and he blowed it with his mouth. That's called Niv. But Liba also means to flame up a fire. Weiter, so the Gemara Bato Riach Kulam Petur. Taman Amrim Beruach Shel Amsik Masnit. What does it mean? The Bato Ruach, why is it by Potter? Talks at the Ruach Shein Mitzuya. Ruach Shein Mitzag Bechai. Ruach Shein Mitzag Ruach Shein Mitzag Potter. Pa'am Shavon Bapam Leiba. So if you didn't do the Maisa, you let the wind do it, then even it's a Ruach Mitzuya, it's Potter. Interesting halacha this. I don't know if it goes with the Bavli, but here the Mishalmi holds that even Ruach Mitzuya is potted by Eish. I guess the reason is because the fire did not exist until the wind makes it happen. So it's like the wind is creating the fire. The Batu Ruach means that the wind caused the fire to flame up. So anything that the fire consumes is chayav. Over gather she gave up amas the charab by no pot. Ma koitzim yichad shedak nidolik af ein dvar stark nedolik tamad loime God. So kach minik balasodas to burn the koitzim. So I would say only things that are darkenly dolik. Thing that it's flammable, as they say, flammable. So you say no, anything, even a godish also. Ima godish, v'yuch shtosh makaka, after the shtosh makaka, tamad loime, comma. Even if it's mechuber. Oima elu ve'elu miyichad shadakan nedolik. Af ein is dakan nedolik, lichan irai, v'sifsa v'avonav min ayin, loime oi hasode. So this means darkly dolik here. Probably there's an error in the reading here, because dark on the dolik here doesn't mean dark on the dolik. Here it means that the Gemara in Bavli calls it that Lecha Chanira Sifsaf Avonov is ein a roy loy. And if the Gira says right, it does definitely means something else like before. So it means definitely a thing that's totally not roy loy. It's not a normal thing that should happen. Yom koitzem kama sada oyem godish. Later Rabbi Yehuda nicha dom v'shan kama shebesaycha. Yehuda holds that he chayv tomen beish. Yehuda holds tomen beish is chayv. We'll see soon the mechlekes. Cost to be mar betomen. Later Rabban dom v'shan godish chit mesayah and eiz dom godish is dom sada. Why do you need these both things, sada and godish? You have already koitzem kama and sada. Why do you need Godish? Okay, this more states by a question. Over Gedish a Gavoya Arba Amos a Derech Rabban, a nor pot, Omar Kedachas. He must knit. We're talking in a start fire that goes straight. Al Makatefes of the Kamachai. If it's a fire that jumps from one place to the next, certain fires that are jumpy, not go straight, then even if it goes a lot, it can pass by because it can jump. This whole shear is only when it's jumping. If it's a straight line, the fire doesn't jump, then it's potter. I guess even less than Arba Amas. Doesn't say the shear, but maybe even Derech HaYochid is potter. The whole din that Yechai Arba Amas is by a fire that jumps. Zog the Mishnah. Okay, we can stop here. We need to do Daf Chav Tes. We'll stop. This is Daf Chav Ches.